I find it a very useful thing to have around the house for charging your phone. I think they can charge Samsungs or HTC, ones like that have got that connection there. For Apple products, they've also got one for that, which has got I don't know, it's a 13-pin connection or something that Apple use. So I presume that one works with Apple products. It's a great thing because it saves you, it's for the cables storage space. It's all in there. It goes out to 75 centimetres. So it could be a bit longer. I wish it was a bit longer, but it's still better than having just the cable lying about. And you need to pull both out at the same time, and then it sort of clicks there when you're fully out, and then you sort of clip it again and it goes back in. It's a really good thing to have about the house. There's the packaging it came with. I use this all the time. In fact, I've got two in case I need to charge two things at the same time. It's a really handy thing to have. I recommend it. Apparently you can't unfold one side at one because it gets all tangled. You need to do both at the same time and take them both out at the same time. But I definitely recommend it. So there you go. That's a retractable USB cable for micro 5-pin connections out of Poundland. I recommend it.